In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your fighting style in Blox Fruits. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first time that you join Blox Fruits, you will start with the default combat fighting style. This is going to be by far the weakest style. It only gives you access to moves like Quick Tackle and Ground Smash, and they don't do a lot of damage. They are weak, and you should absolutely change your fighting style by the time that you leave the first seat. In the first sea, you will be able to acquire some starting fighting styles, and there are a lot of fighting styles to explore. As you can see, during the time that I'm recording this video, there are currently 12 fighting styles in the game: Dark Step, Electric, Water Kung Fu, Dragon Breath, Superhuman, Death Step, Sharkman Karate, Electric Claw, Dragon Talon, God Human, and Sanguine Art. You will be able to get these fighting styles through various different means. Usually, the ones in green are going to be obtained in the first sea, the ones in blue in the second sea, and the ones in red in the third sea. Upon acquiring them, you will be able to start using them immediately. They will replace the combat fighting style that you cannot acquire again, and you will be able to use all of its moves and mastery. If you ever want to switch between fighting styles, all that you have to do is talk to the teacher who originally showed you the fighting style, and you will be able to switch to them. So for example, if you talk to the mad scientist and you previously used the electric fighting style, he will give you this dialogue. It seems you already know this style. Would you like to start using it again? Or if you go over to a new NPC, you will be able to learn that different fighting style that you have never used before. All that you have to do is go over to the specific NPC where you can acquire the fighting style, and then talk to them, and you will be able to get the specific style from them, either again or the first one if you have never talked to that specific teacher for the fighting style before. If you are still in doubt on how to get a specific fighting style, I recommend that you read the wiki for specific instructions, but most of them are going to be by talking to specific NPCs hidden in different areas. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your fighting style in Blox Fruits. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.